Hello, good morning. Hindi na ako naniniwala sa mga Gcash kasi scam tayo dyan. Hello, Leslie. Where are you, girl? Aba, hindi ko kita video mo, ate. Hindi na ako nag-ano sa mga guys. Mag-message ka lang doon sa WhatsApp ko o sa Telegram. How many kids siya? Only one. 6 years old. A boy. I'm 42. 42 guys. Do you believe in love after love? I can feel the pain inside me. Are we 42 good, yeah. Yeah, I'm 42 years old. I was born in 1982. Hello, Jorda. Where I sent to you, will you show your book bouncing? It's good or no? Good, I'm good. Well, I'm good. Ew. Ew. Okay, it's good to ew. Ew, blackbird. Seriously, I like you, mom. I'm from Bahamas. I'm 14, no kids with. Next kid may be a princess. Where's Bahamas? Bahamas is from? I haven't seen your message yet. I can't send you here. You can send me on WhatsApp or in my Instagram. I put there my profile. Ano mo talaga kahit may anak ka na. Hi, George. Shout out. Did you message me? Where I message you? Look it up. Where? Look it up what? My number. My number. WhatsApp. Black Max Communication is where you from? My WhatsApp number is 9 plus 63946 2441429. I have there. Harare, Zimbabwe. Where's that? Good morning, Joe Marafalio. Hi. It's banana. Is she banana? You banana. Country code 71. A country code is +63 or +63 946 2441429. Why you ask my number? I have there in my profile. You see my information data there. How you message me and the profile of my YouTube. I have also the Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, and also my Patreon.